first, champions forever. Yeah. Suited and guide on more. Ready to break an arm or lay the Lord is what I bleed for. Tall with a mighty fiery sword. Making unbelievers hop out of course to run with the accord. Back to basic, these common lands filled with common sense, broke with common sense. They ain't hearing shit. Advice will spin on deaf ears. Because of what's hard, dying for a cause from jump start. Are we living life or is the matrix part? Had the streets lost, homes made of tarps. Scopes and laser beams giving goodnight kisses. Dogs hop off the porch, some sleep with fishes. Light and dark, the real war for your soul. Just know God never left, He's just down the road. Evil thoughts provoke, bad ideas channel. Drive the Versace, Prada, Gucci and Chanel. No mascot or logos catch my praise. Fighting demons within, I'm Kanye crazy. Maybe I'm sane and the world's gone mad. In the gas mask, the Outlast is overused fast. 3 grams, 2 blunts, 1 rider. Coasting the sky, limited edition outer space tires. Offer the Lord rotation for keeping my life rotating. Millions of sperm never transition to human incubating. No matter where you go, you will travel down this road. Stay strong, keep a stronghold. Light a path you want to let go. False teachings, hidden scriptures symbolized in the eyes of sinful times. Humble your pride, stay faithful to the Almighty Most High. Give the most time and energy, dark and with me light too bright. Almighty's army fighting as we breathe. Must lie on the ground, feet stuck to the ground. Electric construct, the crash scores, the dollar menus infiltrated, later strayed by the buck. Dollar evil ways from here to 6 ways to Sunday. Separate, segregate, dissipate pagans from the Lord's day. Some bite your flow, others lockjaw your energy. Bloody empires making a mockery of humanity. They trying to kill us all, last of the Mohicans. So many his stories and history, this chapter is tweaking. Judged like a covered rights taken by the gavel. Cats 36 chambers killing the bees at the gravel pit. This shit ain't no joke, crash course, off smoke, reload, squeeze the choke, filled in sweet cheese hoes. Then big time roll on to the next dawn. The world filled with filth like a pond needing dawn. They playing with the dead, raising the fallen out of the bed. Disregard the flood, look out for the crown on its head. Nations outside the ice wall, the cause for every fall. We never drop the ball, we're the cattle they eat raw. Let me pause. Okay, press fast forward. God always wins, so He's the one I stand towards. My power chord. My power chord. My power chord. All praise the Almighty Lord.